girls, welcome to our channel. Crab. This is called crab. Crab have hard cells, two big claws, and they walk sideways. Lobster. This is called lobster. Lobsters have a long body and strong claws. Stingray. This is called stingray. Stingray have flat, round bodies that look like a flying kite. Seahorse. This is called seahorse. A seahorse looks like a tiny horse that swims upright. Octopus. This is called octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms and a soft body. Angelfish. This is called angelfish. Angelfish are bright, colorful fish with triangle-shaped fins. Humpback whale. This is called humpback whale. Humpback whales are cute, gentle giants. Shark. This is called shark. Shark have sharp teeth, strong, fine and amazing sense of smell.